Sneeze.
What's going on?
No, sorry.
I didn't want to sneeze into the mic, so I had it covered.
Oh.
Nice. Come on.
I was trying really hard not to hit you.
You did not. I am proud of you.
Yeah, it looks like you're doing enough of it on your own.
Yeah, I don't need your help, buddy. Oh, there goes that goes.
Got a pelican coming in.
All of these a tank on fire.
What matters is tank.
I love the treads on this tank, because you know how they are like...
They actually move.
Yeah, they're like borderline, shoot, what's the word?
Sexual. Oh jeez.
I mean,
I almost
called
got fucking
Scorp-
speared by one of these things.
I imagine.
Choose your weapon.
Ooh. Do you don't want a sniper rifle or anything? You good?
I mean, the battle rifle's pretty good. It ain't no DMR though.
Battle rifle better than DMR.
Nah.
Objectively.
No? That's not how opinions work?
The middle. Let's get in there.
Especially when you're wrong.
What, like, seriously?
You walked in front of me.
I did,
My
I
fault.
barely moved!
But it was enough to be in front of me.
You're welcome.
For what?
For what? At this point, like, if I see you in my eye line at all, I just stop shooting. Because you're gonna run in front of me.
I'm really happy that we have a really good dynamic. That's fucking funny.
It's like, I can see you. You're gonna dart in front of me.
Whoa. Oh, buggers.
It's also Jackal Snipers.
Oh, this on Legendary was fucking annoying.
Oh, yeah, dude. Punch you in the face, you flying fuck.
For what? Oh, sorry.
It's not that dude. Flying. For what?
I love how during the Arbiter levels, man, we fucking hate this. This sucks.
This
And then
sucks, dude. Then we get back to the chief.
Chief
missions.
levels.
It's
Oh,
like,
man, this
dude,
game's
these are awesome. These are so much fun.
great games, man. I think at the end of this one, we kill Regret, right? Or did we? Yeah, we kill Regret, or
Yeah.
did we kill Mercy? Oh,
No, you kill Regret. You punch him in the neck until he dies. Yes, you can shoot the birds. No, it doesn't get you anything.
damn it! How'd you know? Ow, ow, ow.
You act like I've never done that before.
What are you getting shot by?
All kinds of shit. Because I'm running around doing the thing that you normally do.
Killing birds?
No, I'm telling Lewis.
Oh, I mean, whatever. Yeah, I totally just killed all the birds. Oh, is there any turrets here? No? Fuck.
No.
Lame. Guess you have to stay here and get pelted by a phantom.
Yeah. Why don't you just hide behind one of these things?
That's what I was doing too. Where'd it go?
What the fuck?
Whoa!
It vanished!
I don't want to give away my position, so
I'm okay with this. We just skipped that portion.
I apologize. These pelicans are all the support you're gonna get.
Freaking funny.
Understood, ma'am.
I need to pee.
I mean, if you want to, go for it.
I do have a cup here.
Gross. I think the game may have frozen.
No,
Oh, those things are moving. Sorry, I was looking at the other thing.
the gondolas are moving, and there should be a pelican coming in to drop us off some armaments.
Sweet, sweet armaments. Well, while it's coming, go pee.
Well, I mean, it's right there.
The grunts with, fucking on the charge are still there, though. Ow. I'm an idiot.
Did you grenade yourself?
No. Yeah, I guess I'll take it. Oh, dude, that's so ruthless.
Yeah. Fish in a barrel.
Yeah. All I turn the corner is you just unloading into an elevator. That's like Hitman style, dude.
Yeah.
Did you hear what he said?
Chief, I think it was trying to surrender.
Nope, war crimes.
Nope.
There's the target. Take him out.
Tally ho!
Fuck him up!
Eh. Neck punch. Neck punch. Neck punch. Neck punch.
My turn.
He's dead.
How dare you! I didn't get any of that action! Oh shit.
The Phantoms are turning around. The fleet is preparing to fire on our
Get the
position.
fuck out of here,
We need to
man!
Get out of here.
Demon.
Just fell straight down.
Remaster, they couldn't do like a falling animation. They literally just like
It was just him standing.
Photoshop down. That's fucking funny.
That. Oh man.
Oh, that was fucking funny. Oh, I hate those sentinels too, the big ones. It's fucking annoying.
I want to see it again.
Just
Play it again.
uh
Play it again, Sam.
oh fuck, that was stupid.
Go. What the fuck?
Sorry, that was totally my bad. Oh, you gonna dual wield it? Okay.
Hell yeah.
I'll pick up something else then.
Oh, there's more over here. There's dual rifles over here.
Hold up.
The Sentinels are like our friends in this case. Are you gonna get the dual rifles or what?
Yeah, I guess.
Fucking.
Sorry,
Yeah.
I was debating whether or not I wanted to one-hit kill, nope, they're not our friends.
That's because you attacked them.
Let's get the fuck out of here. I don't know what you're talking about. That's all hearsay.
And then there's this weird like screaming music.
Yeah, I hated that.
I hated this level so much. Fuck it, dude. Just run away.
We have to kill it though, right?
No, we don't.
Oh, let's get the fuck out of here then.
I don't gotta do shit, my
I
dude.
thought it was a required kill. Never mind then.
No.
Ooh, they really added to the ambiance of this level.
Yeah, dude. This game's fucking. This level's scary.
You got it.
Like fucking 12-year-old me playing this shit late at night.
We have hostiles. Oh shit!
Oh, what just happened? What the hell just happened?
There may have been a slight incident where you kind of maybe stepped in front of me when I tossed a plasma grenade.
I didn't move anywhere though.
You kind of
was-
sidestepped in front of me.
I was just standing there.
Whoa.
Ow.
Oh shit!
Can you like not shoot me in the face, broski? Dude, you kill me half the time I die in this game.
Oh, that's so funny. Okay, yeah, that was truly and honestly my bad. The grenade thing, if I had OBS recording, you could see you stepped in my line of grenade threat.
Good luck proving that.
I think I might have to start recording my games.
Fucking shooting me in the face.
I'm so sorry.
This happens every game.
I know I'm laughing, but
Every
it's
game.
fucking hilarious. Wow. Fucking thing just He. God damn it! I died.
How did you die? You're in a fucking tank.
What's it called? The thing hopped on the tank and just beat it to death. Because, you know, that's a thing.
I'm gonna take your tank.
Go for it. Please do.
I don't know why it's not respawning you.
Because it's my tank.
No, like I'm away from everything. Why won't it respawn you?
Oh,
you
my respawn, dude.
Oh,
I'm
what the
respawn.
fucking...
The tank is shot, by the way.
What do you mean?
Like, it is unusable.
Says who?
Oh, never mind. I'll take the Spectre then.
Oh, I think that's smart guy. No, it's not.
No, it is not. Whoa.
Send
Oh,
him
just-
into the
oh.
gap.
Alright. Where is that rocket? There it is.
Oh, jeez, I got blown into the gap.
In the hole.
You should respawn in a second.
Yeah. With nothing.
It's all down the hole, man.
In the hole.
It's all in the hole. It's in the hole. Why is there a hole? It's in the hole.
Oh, there's a... Is that something up there you can take? No, never mind.
17 again?
Oh shit.
Blow him out of the sky.
I see the rocket. I take the rocket.
Where are you going, superstar?
What?
This dude is just running, flailing in his arms. You look like a fucking 3-year-old just running wildly.
Having the time of their life.
It's like, look at you!
Look at you, superstar. Sorry, like, I was doing something, like, random off the side. All I hear is, look at you, superstar. I'm like, what the fuck? Can I help you? Super condescending. Look at you. Alright, we fucking done with this shit yet?
No. This is why everyone hates the Arbiter missions.
We're just literally on a fucking elevator again.
Yeah. So much goddamn waiting.
Waiting is not a difficult thing to do.
Waiting.
This is the end of the mission.
See a lot of
This is one of my favorite lines.
Damn.
How you doing?
That's so badass.
He's such a badass. Generation 1 Spartan.
Yep.
Johnson, you all right? Johnson.
The Flood also don't want him.
Oh yeah, because one of the augmentations, one of the side effects is it fucked up his nerves.
Alright, gotta fucking huff it back to the fucking top floor.
Do you mean hoof it?
Huff it.
Pretty sure it's hoof it.
Pretty sure shit the hell up.
Just saying, I think we've had this conversation before.
Maybe.
Oh, I got stuck.
No, you didn't. We're good.
Okay.
You just got really close. That was actually kind of scary.
I just immediately assumed that I got stuck and tried to run away from you.
I appreciate that. But we chillin'.